How to watch 50 Shades of Grey online for free. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can watch the 50 Shades of Grey online for free. Well, 50 Shades of Grey online is available online there. 50 Shades of Grey, sorry, is available online on various websites and apps as well. Now, the official ones, however, I wouldn't recommend you to watch it for free through the third-party websites. I'll not recommend it at all. But if you do want to watch it, then you can watch it. You can watch it on Netflix. It's available on Netflix. You can simply head into Play Store. You can download Netflix. If one of your friends has the account, you can ask them for the account, or you can go ahead and buy the account or purchase the membership and go ahead and stream it on Netflix. It's available here on Netflix. So hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.